now. We're nearly in Ipswich.
Now take the exit on the left.
Are we there yet?
Yeah, are we there yet? Are we nearly there?
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's been a while.
Yes, it has.
Suzanne's been a little bit poorly.
Much better now.
On the mend, aren't you?
Yeah.
So today we're going to see the house in the clouds. Never seen it before, never been there before to this particular place. So looking forward to it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Beautiful little place, isn't it?
Pink house. Right, we have to do a big shout out to Nathan because he watches us all the time and it's Liam's friend. So, hi Nathan!
Liam being the son-in-law.
Yeah.
Hi Nathan. Thanks for watching.
You watch the world from the place beneath the willow.
Now turn right.
So many
That's nice. What's that? God, look at that. Pat, there's no way you're getting in there if you haven't booked.
It's a busy place, isn't it? Look at that Ford Anglia. Oh, very nice. Look at these old motors, look.
3 spaces, well, we no door.
Okay, thank you. Look at that little midget. Lovely. The small village of Thorpeness is dominated by the mere, which is popular all year round and bears witness to the village's fantastical past. In 1910, Stuart Ogilvie bought the hamlet and set to transform it into a private fantasy holiday village. We'll eat out again, Suzanne.
Take away.
So here we are, first time out for a while, and another little gem that we weren't really aware of, were we?
No, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Thorpeness in Suffolk. It's absolutely beautiful here.
Eating again.
Yeah. We've actually just had sausage and chips, which is quite rare for me, but so we're going to have a look now at the house in the clouds and the windmill. Right, we should be able to see the windmill and the house in the clouds, I think, up this track here. You're not convinced, are you?
No. I think it would have said.
Well, it makes sense that it is up here. We're lost. It's over there somewhere, isn't it? It's over there somewhere, but it said private road, didn't it? So we didn't go up there.
Yeah, but we'll just try walking it.
Right, back to the bottom here, turn right and then go back up that one that said private road.
Yeah.
Because you can't even see it. It should be over in that direction. Oh well. Onwards and upwards. It's fresh air, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, back down here then. Do you want to cross over onto the path? Just to be safe. Right, so I brought a load of information with me about this place. It was a Scottish barrister, apparently, who started it all.
Yeah.
So just up here on our left should be the windmill, which used to pump water to the water tower back when it was first built, apparently. And as you'll see in a moment, it's been turned into, I think they're holiday rentals. But it looks gorgeous, doesn't it?
It does.
I mean, these are all nice up here just to get away, look.
They all rentals.
Even this, look. I don't know whether that's a rental, but nice little place, isn't it?
Yeah. I can't really see over the fence. I'm too little.
Right, well, there are other people walking up here, so I suggest we are. I'm expecting to see the red roof on the house through a gap in the trees any time now. Yeah, some lovely little quaint properties up here, Suzanne.
Yeah.
Oh, I've just seen this in a previous video.
Did you?
He'll know who he is. Well, well. Yep, very nice. Would you like a little place like that to pop down to occasionally? Long drive for us though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a bit. What, 2 hours and
Yeah.
15 minutes?
Yeah. And that was just a one little stop, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The weather's fantastic today, isn't it?
Yeah, we're
Well-
really lucky.
Where are we? September the
13.
13th. My birthday on the 17th. Happy birthday to me. Right, so there's the windmill, as we said, and you can just see through the trees there the house in the clouds. Let's go and have a closer look. Bit of a queue.
To the windmill first then.
So here it is, the house in the clouds. What do you think, Suzanne? What?
Fairies really own the house, so the children say. In fact, they all of them moved in upon the self-same day.
Do you want to start that again? The fairies really own the house, or so the children say. In fact, all of them moved in upon the same day. For rental inquiries, visit www.houseintheclouds.co.uk. Very nice. Originally a water tower. Right, the windmill. Yeah, apparently this used to pump the water into that water tower. And the whole thing does turn on its axis. There is a wheel on the, or a couple of wheels on the back here. And a metal ring all the way around the outside of it. There we go. And I guess they turn it to get the best wind. Oh, there you go, Suzanne. Rest a while in memory of Joan Hurst.
Ah, thanks, Joan.
So you can have a nice little sit there now, looking over the mere. Right, so we've done the sitting on the bench around the park, around the lake, Suzanne.
Yeah.
Now a walk on the beach. It's a lovely, lovely place, isn't it?
Gorgeous.
I can't believe how lucky we've been with the weather.
No. Bit windy.
It is windy. I put the drone up and it you know, to my amazement, it flew. That is an amazing little drone, as you'll see from the footage. An artificial lake, mere or boating lake, was created, and a variety of boats can be rented to enjoy the water. Many of them originals dating from the creation of the mere and named by the local workmen who had dug the lake.
So hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. I think of you and of all I should have done.
The village was a small fishing hamlet originating in the late 19th century. It's a quiet village of about 400 people in the winter, increasing to over 1,600 in the summer holiday season, with folk tales of it being a route for smugglers into East Anglia. However, in 1910, Glencairn Stuart Ogilvie, a Scottish barrister, increased the family's local estates to cover the entire area. The house in the clouds is a water tower in Thorpeness. It was built in 1923 to receive water pumped from Thorpeness windmill, and was designed to improve the looks of the water tower, disguising its tank with the appearance of a weatherboarded building more in keeping with Thorpeness's mock Tudor and Jacobean style, except seeming to float above the trees.
There comes a time when all you have is who you love.
Right, time for a nice cold refreshment before our long journey home, and I think I'll probably treat Suzanne to a cake. What do you think to that lemon meringue that hubby treated you to?
Yeah, it's lovely. Well, that's a bit big while I'm on camera.
Turn left in 200 yards.
Well, Suzanne, that's us had a lovely day out.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Really lovely.
In
Thorpeness.
Lovely, beautiful place. Weather was great, just all round lovely. Great footage, hopefully, for the vlog. And if you have watched the vlog and
Now turn left.
excuse me. If you have watched the vlog and enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like and maybe even a comment. And now we've got the long journey home, have we?
Yeah, but it's not a bad journey. It was fine coming down, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit windy roady until we get back to the A14.
Yeah.
But it's a pleasant day, so anyway, I really enjoyed it. It's another place that I don't know why I've been so many places in this country. I thought I'd been everywhere until earlier in the year when we went to Bourton-on-the-Water, which was an amazing place, and then this, just saw it by accident on another vlog. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy it, and like I said, give us a subscribe, and don't forget it's my birthday on Thursday.
So that's a hint for lots of happy birthday comments, is it?
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
If I get as many comments as I've had birthdays, then I will be happy. Right, catch you next time.
Bye.